I enjoy life. I drink, I party with my friends, I go to church, I mall, I go to the beach. The usual things na ginagawa ng teenager. Mga pangarap ko sa buhay, simple lang. Maging successful, magkaroon ng sariling pamilya, maging stable.
Gusto ko yung makabanding yung parents ko, yung family ko, yung friends ko. We can go wherever we want, whenever we want. And as long na nagagawa ko yung mga bagay na gusto ko, yun yung nagpapasaya sa akin.
Marami po akong mga pangarap sa buhay. Marami akong mga gusto. Isa na dyan na gusto kong makita ko ng mga tao sa billboard. Dream ko yon. Gusto ko din na magtayo ng bakery.
I always dream to be an actor someday. I want to express what I feel inside because it's better to express than to impress, I believe. Pangarap ko rin na makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Yun na lang ang pinakamagandang mairirigalo ko sa aking mga magulang. Pangarap ko na ang bawat isa sa mundo ay nakangiti, walang problema, at magkahawak kamay para sa isa't isa.
I was happy because it seemed like even though my brother died in a young age, he was able to leave this world with a mark and he had a legacy. So it inspired me. At the same time, it made me think that maybe if the time comes that maybe I could be like him and also leave a legacy. Feels overwhelming, probably because I'm just 15 years old and I'm doing this for so many people to learn about how they can help. Even if they leave this world, that they can still donate their cornea to people that actually need it and they could help them and leave a mark. So I'm willing to be a lifeline because though it's a sacrifice, it can actually help other people. And as a Christian, I believe that some sacrifices, they can be worth it as long as you're being able to help other people.
Gusto kong maging lifeline dahil gusto kong maging isa sa mga Pilipinong open sa pag-extend ng buhay. I want to spread love and unity. It is a call for awareness and openness to every Filipino who's in need.
Makakatulong ako sa society natin sa paraan ng pagbibigay ng tulong sa nangangailangan, pagpapahalaga sa buhay. Malaking responsibilidad pala naming mga nurse ang makapagbigay tulong, mapahaba man lang kahit papaano yung buhay ng mga tao.
When I heard about Lifeline, naisip ko na parang may maibibigay ako doon na. Yun agad yung pumasok sa isip ko. And then, talagang nag-decide na ako na sumali dito para makatulong ako sa kapwa ko.
Nung nadinig ko yung Lifeline, ay sinabi ko sa sarili ko, I love myself, I love life, and I want others to live their life to the fullest. Sabi ng isang great author, the greatest tragedy in life is not death, but life without purpose. Yung purpose natin sa buhay ay hindi mo alam kung anong magiging purpose mo, Diyos lang nakakaalam. And sa tingin ko, this Lifeline, it would be a great benefit to everyone, lalong-lalo na yung mga nangangailangan.
When I'm 18, I will be a lifeline.
I'm Sophie, I'm 22 years old, and I'm a lifeline.
Hi, I'm Manel. I'm a proud lifeline.
Mga isko at iska, mga kapwa ko scholar ng bayan.
Sa November 28, 2013,
magsama-sama po tayo at mag-sign up na.
I'm a proud PUPian and I'm a proud lifeline.
I'm a proud iska and a proud lifeline.
Mga kapwa ko scholar ng bayan, inaanyayahan ko kayong mag-register sa Lifeline registration na gaganapin sa ating sintang paaralan sa November 28, 2013. Ang pinakamaraming magre-register ay makakatulong upang makapasok tayo muli sa Guinness Book of World Records.